Hey, what's going on, YouTube family? So me and the family today, we're gonna head out to a car meet. There's gonna be some Tesla cars and there's gonna be some other exotic cars. So I'm looking forward to it. We're gonna have a little fun on this Super Bowl Sunday. And we get to take Twix, who's coming out for the first time. So I got to the car show a little late.
What?
There was a couple of cool ice cars and there's a couple of Teslas out here. Let's talk to a couple of my buddies. Let's check them out.
Ready? You want me to raise it up? Then I'll drop it. Got the two compressors, so the compressors are dumping air back into the tank.
And the battery's running the compressor?
Yeah, it's all connected to my battery system.
Wow.
So
Look at this compressor.
what? I mean, I just gotta wait for the tank to fill up, but like right now the tank is 160 psi.
Here goes Oliver. You can follow him at Switch Tesla. Oliver, tell the people what you're about, Oliver.
Hey guys, I'm Oliver with DIY Auto Detailing Supplies, powered by Croftgate USA. I got a bunch of waterless and rinseless car care products, high performance, eco-friendly, no petroleum, no silicone. 1 gallon of water will wash the entire vehicle. I've had this vehicle since 2018, July, and I've only taken a hose to it 3 times.
What?
But I wash it every week.
So where could they get your supplies? Tell the people where they can get your
You can follow me on DIY Auto Detailing Supplies.
So there you go, the Switch Tesla. There you go.
I'm on Instagram, or you can also find me with Tesla Club SoCal. We're always around. We're supporting the community.
All right.
Take care.
Check this out. If you're in California, this is in California only, you can get a sticker for your license plate. I believe it's license-wrap-sticker.com. I'll find out and I'll put it in the links in the description below. It's pretty cool. If you don't want to screw in your license plate, or if you don't have the snap plate, this is a good option. Get a sticker. So who says you can't pull a trailer on your Model 3?
What?
There you go. Isn't that pretty cool? Check it out. If you live in SoCal, join the club. Tesla Club SoCal. Nice, beautiful wrap. Got one of the coolest sun visors.